Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
The Viper, which is also known as the Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, is a lunar rover that was created by NASA. Its plan is to touch the surface of the moon as early as December 2022. The rover will be tasked with prospecting for lunar resources in permanently shadowed areas in the southern region of the moon. This can be done by mapping the distribution and concentration of water ice. Throughout this past decade, scientists have actually proven the existence of massive chunks of frozen water on the moon, so the Viper will be very helpful in furthering the research. The thing that is unique about this mission is that NASA wants to have the Viper collect data throughout the night. And if the Viper works throughout the night, there will be more observations to make for it in one mission rather than multiple.
The Viper rover, currently under development, will have a size similar to a golf cart, around 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. It will be tasked with prospecting for lunar resources, especially water or ice on the poles, also mapping its distribution and measuring its depth and purity. The Viper rover is part of the Lunar Discovery and Exploration Program managed by the Science Mission Directorate at NASA headquarters, and it is part of the Artemis program. NASA's Ames Research Center is managing the rover project. The hardware for the rover is being designed by the Johnson Space Center, while the instruments are provided by Ames, Kennedy, and Honeybee Robotics. The project manager is Daniel Andrews. The estimated cost of the mission is about $250 million.
The Viper rover will operate at the moon's permanently shadowed southern pole. Where exactly is yet to be determined. Viper is solar powered, so once it enters a permanently shadowed location, it will operate on battery power alone and will not be able to recharge its batteries. Viper is expected to rove several kilometers, mostly in the dark. Its science instruments and a 1-meter drill are created to sample various soil types for water and other such nutrients. As the rover drives across the surface, it will use its neutron spectrometer system, known as the NSS, to detect prospective wet areas below the surface for further investigation. In addition, its operation time is approximately 100 Earth days. All in all, the Viper will give us much needed information that the space community has been longing for about the moon and its potential.